Hey friends, going to show you how I make my country meatloaf today. I'm not going to give you exact measurements because just use common sense. A pinch of this, a pinch of that, eyeball it. Super easy. We have 1 pound of ground meat. We have 1 egg. We have some chopped onion. We have a garlic clove minced. We have some oregano, some salt, some pepper, breadcrumbs, and I'm going to add a dash of milk. Form that into a loaf. Then I'm going to make a little trench down the middle, and I'm going to add a line of ketchup before I put it on the pan. I'm going to cook it at 375 for about an hour, and then we'll see where we're at. Here's a tip. Parchment paper on a baking sheet. What you want to do is you want to take a spray bottle, spray the pan, put your parchment paper on there, okay, like so. Then you're going to add your loaf. So what I like to do is I like to add some breadcrumb after I do the dash of milk and just kind of mix it, and if it feels too wet, add a little more breadcrumb. If it's dry, you can add a little bit of milk. That's what I've already done to it. It's just a dash of milk. All right, so what I've done here is I went ahead and formed a loaf. It's very dense. I made a trench in the middle and I added the ketchup. Now I'm going to cover it with some foil lightly. Pop it in the oven at 375 for about 45 to 50 minutes, and then take off the foil and let it go like another 10-12 minutes or so till it gets a little browner on top. That's going to give you a really delicious, moist meatloaf. I hope everyone's having an amazing Columbus Day, positive life.